Hi, this is Susie Torres with Low Country Elite Group, Carolina One Real Estate. Welcome to our new listing at 2890 Fernwood Drive in North Charleston, South Carolina. You will love this house as it has no HOA and a very large yard, which will be fantastic for anybody that loves gardening, or if you have a boat or an RV, or if you want to work on things in your back workshop/garage. The location is unbelievable as it is close to the Wanamaker County Park as well as North Charleston Riverfront Park, right around the corner from CSU, Charleston Southern. There is the Northwoods Mall, Tanger Outlet, and plenty of local boutiques as far as shopping right around you. And dining, there's a variety of restaurants ranging from local gems to national favorites. Transportation is easy here with easy access to I-26 and the Charleston International Airport. The schools are located near reputable schools for all grade levels. Please schedule a showing today. This is a gem as it is a ranch-style home with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Again, with a very large yard and plenty of space for whatever you want to do outside, from entertaining to gardening to, again, having your own workshop in the back garage. Anything that you want to do. There are no HOA restrictions here, nor are there monthly costs or yearly costs to live here as well. It is such a hop, skip, and a jump to all of the local amenities as well as the hospitals literally right around the corner. You have your beautiful original hardwood floors throughout this house. This house does feature an in-house separate laundry room as well as a separate dining room and full living room. The master suite is on the separate side of the house versus the secondary bedrooms. It is a wonderful layout and a great location. Come check it out today. Give us a call for any questions or to set up a showing.